So I'm going to go through how to use our graphing calculator to find the coefficients for a polynomial sequence. So what I'm looking at is 4a from the homework. So what we have here is the sequence 2, 9, 28, 65. Clearly it's not geometric. To 2 times r to get 9 is 9 over 2, and 9 over 2 times 9 is definitely not 28, so it's not geometric. If I check then to see if it's arithmetic or polynomial, I look for a first common difference, and already I see that there isn't a first common difference. But I'm going to keep going because looking for a polynomial sequence just involves finding some nth common difference, so we'll just keep on going. And right now I don't have a common difference here, don't have a second common difference, but because it's not anything else, I am going to just assume that it's a third common difference. Normally we would want to have more than one of these sixes to be the same, but we don't. So we're just going to be forced to kind of assume that this is a degree 3 polynomial. Since it's a degree 3 polynomial, because it has a third common difference, and we're assuming this is a third common difference because we're out of other options, it's going to be of the form u sub n equals an to the third plus bn squared plus cn plus d. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to substitute in my u sub n's and n's for my sequence and generate a system of equations here. Since I have 1, 2, 3, 4 coefficients, I need to have 4 equations to solve for. So the first equation, the n value is 1 because it's the first term. So I have a1 to the third plus b1 squared plus c times 1 plus d equals 2. And then I have my second term, so I have a2 to the third plus b2 squared plus c2 plus d equals 9. I have a third term, so that's an to the third, or I'm sorry, a times 3 to the third, b times 3 squared, 3 times c plus d equals 28. And lastly, my fourth term, so I have an to the fourth cubed plus b4 squared plus c times 4 plus d equals 65. And that's a 4 in there. I know it doesn't really look like it. And so if we clean this up and put this into a matrix, the way we're going to solve this is we're going to use the row reduced echelon command, or row reduced echelon form command from our calculator. So my coefficient for the first equation, well, they're all just 1s. For the second equation, I have 8a, 4b, 2c, 1d, and 9. And then for the third equation, I have 27a, 9b, 3c, 1d, and 28. And for the fourth equation, I have 64a, 16b, 4c, 1d, and 65. To solve this system, then, I'm going to type this into my calculator. So if I fire up my graphing calculator, I'll start by pressing the on button and getting rid of whatever I have going on there. And I'm going to open the matrix menu. I'm going to scroll over to the Math tab and then scroll down and look for that RREF command. Make sure I pick RREF, not REF, and we'll press enter to select that. And we're going to do this matrix this command RREF on the matrix that I have here. So I need to type this matrix into my calculator. So I'm going to press Math, second matrix. And I'm going to scroll over to the edit command, and I'm going to type this into matrix A. The system that I have has 4 rows and 5 columns, so I'm going to have a 4 by 5. And now I'm just going to type in exactly what I see. So the first row I have 4 1s, and then a 2, and then I have 8, 4, 2, 1, 9, and then the next row I have 27, 9, 3, 1, 28, and my last row I have 64, 16, 4, 1, and 65. Now that I have that matrix entered completely, I'm going to exit out of here, and I'm going to go back into the matrix menu. And now under the Names tab, I'm going to select matrix A, and I'm going to execute that. So my result was this. I believe, let me double check. Yes, indeed, that was what I had. And what this tells me then is 1a plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 equals 1. Well, a equals 1 then. And here I have 0 plus 1b plus 0 plus 0 equals 0. Oh, well, b equals 0. And oops, I copied that wrong, didn't I? Sorry about that, folks. And this says 0 plus 0 plus c plus 0 equals 0. All right, well, c equals 0 then. And the last one by now you've figured out is going to be d equals 1. So my answer then is going to be u sub n equals n cubed plus 1. And that's how we do it.